Sustainable access to healthcare has long been one of the world's most major concerns. Approximately 5 billion people don't have access to or cannot afford surgery because it's too expensive. As a result, millions of people die every year from appendicitis, fractures, or even obstructed labor, conditions which all could have been prevented. My name is Alisa, and I wish to increase access to quality surgical care around the world. Through my research, I learned about telesurgery, which allows surgery to be done from one side of the globe to another. My project focuses on improving current surgical care systems by enhancing telesurgery so that before performing the actual surgery, surgeons can experience a simulation of the surgery to be performed through virtual reality headsets. This VR is made possible through artificial intelligence, which processes images from the hospital database. As the product is a model of my idea, I'd like to use images from reliable sources as a substitute for the hospital database, which the actual product will be collecting, and use an LED monitor as an alternative to VR headsets. In the past year, I worked on building a telesurgical system as the framework for the AI to be built later. But I discovered a crucial problem with telesurgery and adapted my plans to improve it. There's a difficulty in controlling robotic arms through a console, so I came up with the idea where instead, surgeons can directly wear gloves attached to the simulator. This method improves dexterity and increases precision of the surgeon's movements, thus reducing risks of surgery. Although still a prototype, I have tested it with a list of criteria, and my findings show that the product is fully functional, indicative of the feasibility of the idea. However, there are certain limitations that I'm facing, such as utilizing more durable and engineering-grade materials, better 3D printer filaments, and measuring the performance of my product in terms of its adaptability and mobility. With the continuation of my project, an assistant from the grant, if my project were chosen, we will be one step closer towards improving and expanding health coverage for everyone. Up to December, I want to continue developing and testing my prototype using more reliable equipment, while also learning data science and machine learning through tutorials and online edX courses, in addition to the Google Developers Program that I had planned to initially. I also want to make more accurate price comparisons to current options in telesurgery, so I'll be reaching out to data scientists from a program I joined last year called STEM League. After December, I will start developing and integrating the AI for the system using TensorFlow, which compiles many different algorithms and models together and implements deep neural networks for image recognition. I'd also like to start an initiative through the Robotics Club, which I founded, and lead and work with interested schoolmates, sharing what I've learned and sharing my product as inspiration. Being able to work with experts from Ashoka would be a priceless help as a student. The guidance and mentorship that can be given to the project would ensure that I'm on the right track and would most definitely enrich the potential of the project. I am really grateful for this opportunity and will strive to improve the lives of others. Health is a human right for all people, not a privilege for those who can afford it. Thank you.